lemon peel.
Wow, this is actually a lot of fun.
Hi, my name is Arun and I'm here at the Rai Ruen Rom organic farm. Today we're going to be doing a fermented wild honey workshop. The honey that they sell is from the local forests, and by buying it you're supporting the villagers but also rebuilding the local forest ecosystem. First thing we're going to do is we're going to mix our own flour.
So I really like this one. It's also a really beautiful color. So I'm just gonna take a little bit.
These flowers also have medicinal properties, so by adding it in the honey you're actually making it even healthier and more delicious than it already is.
So this is the mix.
Now we're doing it. We're putting layers of honey and then adding the flowers. Now we're gonna leave a little bit of space for the honey to ferment, and we're gonna close this and we're gonna leave it closed for 1 month. And every day you have to mix it like this so that the things remain evenly distributed, and then you just watch it ferment and wait for the magic to happen.